Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding chairs and tables that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Costco Products 5 Pieces Folding Chair and Table Set. This is a black set of comfortable and great folding chair and table set. You can use this set for more dining room space for vacations and gatherings. They are convenient and super light in weight. This makes them portable when moving them around. The chair and table set is easy to fold and extremely simple to store. Little to no effort is required to assemble and disassemble them. Moving on at number 4, we have 5-piece folding chair and table, black. This is an amazing chair and table set that is multi-purpose. It is very easy for you to store the set and retrieve it when need be. You can easily move the folding chair and table when they need to be transported. The padding on the chair is from the California 117 sponge foam. This makes the set very comfortable to use even for long hours. You can either use this folding chair and table set in an indoor or outdoor setting. The set consists of 4 foldable chairs and a table. Purchase this one today and you will never regret it. At number 3, we have Kids Colorful Folding Table and Chair 3-piece. If you are looking for the best folding chair and table set that is the durable and multi-purpose, this is what you need to invest it. This set will serve you for a long period of time and you can easily move it around. It is compact and so easy enough to store it. The seats come with a double padding with the California 117 sponge foam. This makes them comfortable even when you use them for long hours. They can be used in both an outdoor or indoor setting. This set features a pair of folding chairs and a square table. At number 2, we have Costco Products Folding Chair and Table 5-Piece Set Tan. This is the folding chair and table that tops this list today. It has a lot of amazing features to be in this position. One of the reasons why you should consider buying this set is that the frames of this set are made of durable steel. This means that it is very hard for them to break. The frames also feature a powdered coated finish that makes them very attractive. For enhanced stability and strength, the folding chair and table set has a tube-in-tube and cross braces to reinforce the frame. This is why you should buy the set today for a long-time service. And finally at number 1, Mikko Sudden Comfort Chair and Table Set. This is the cutest set that you will have in your house for folding chair and table. They feature a steel frame as well as a cardboard or a vinyl cover. This translates to enhanced durability for longer service. The set comes in a cute and classic black color which has powder paint finish with sleek. The set consists of 4 deluxe double padded chairs and a table. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.